guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lady Lori. What are we unboxing today? Well, let's see. I am doing the Zeesea. It does come like this, and then they pack it in bubble wrap, so it is very well protected when it's making its way to your door. Now, it has been brought to my attention that there are different combinations with the Zeesea subscription. So it is $45 a month. You do receive an eyeshadow, and you will probably get 5 items. That's the minimum. Now, I think at one point when I received something, it was a few months back, I can't remember, because I just started Zeesea in February, and one of my monthly subscriptions was, I think, 4 items, and that's it. But I've also received 6 items, so kind of all depends. This one is a 5-item package. Now, here we go. I do have a lot of these products. They're hanging over there behind my door, which means they're in the giveaway pouches. I don't have the time to try a lot of these products out, so I want to pass them on to you guys. You enjoy them, you let me know. You know, if you win if you win the giveaway that includes some Zeesea in it. So let's get on with this. This is from the Living Colorfully. This is the color mascara. Now, I have not opened this, and I don't know what, so I don't know what color it is. But this is the Snowflake Diamond. So it's gonna probably have those flakes and that glitter in it and be a white type of mascara. I don't open them because if I do give them away, now sometimes I've went ahead and torn the top off of them, pulled them off like I did the one I showed you for June. And I did, you know, pop, but I left the bottom part of the plastic on. Now this one, I'm just gonna go ahead and leave it completely on, but it does have, there you can see the brush, and it's gonna probably be white because it does say diamond, you know, Snowflake Diamond. And then we got also from the Living Colorfully, this is a color double head eyeshadow. This is the double eyeshadow. So what color do we have here? There is no color on it, you guys, and it is a twist up, so you can see that. It's a real pretty, almost like a, is it like a tangerine? It kind of is. It's like a soft coral, look. And I don't want to swatch it because I won't keep this on the other side. Ooh, that's like glitter. Look at that. See? Look at that. Oh, that is pretty. You see that? Oh, that's nice. So you put those 2 colors together and boom, you got yourself a gorgeous look. All right, this is that diamond, that Snowflake Diamond one. Pretty tube. I told you, I knew it was gonna have that soft glitter with white. Yep, just add a little bit of glitter. You're going to the ball, the prom, whatever. Okay, the next one is the also Living Colorfully. This is the highlight pressed powder. This is called Devil's Love. And oh, you gotta take a look at this, you guys. Look at that packaging. That is so awesome. Let's look inside. It does have a mirror. Beautiful, right? Look at that imprint. That's awesome. That's gorgeous. It's got like the bat. It's got fangs. That is beautiful. Wow. Wow. I am probably 95% going to be putting this in a giveaway. Like I said, you know, these are the things that I'll just like build a box, you know, one of my BOXYCHARM boxes, and just build it and just give it, pass it on. Now, you guys are always saying that, right? She just passes it on. Yes, I do, and I enjoy it. Okay, the next item is the dessert time. And I think we got this once before. We got this in a box. We got this in one of the boxes a few months back. I think this is like a lip gloss or something. It is a mousse concealer. That's right, it's a mousse concealer. Oh, did I try this? Did I keep one? Did I give one away? Oh, how cute. Look at the confetti on top. Look at the way the top is. That like confetti, the different colors. And then this is it, you guys. Look at how pretty. It's a nice color. That is nice. Very nice. And I scratched the top of the box. You know, I don't know. We might be keeping that one. That one's about a 95% chance of staying. All right, you guys, the very last one, which is the palette, is the Joyful Game bar, which is really cute. Almost like your games you have, those apps on your phone. Now let's see what kind of palette we got. Oh, how pretty. Oh my gosh, you guys, look. That is so cute. And I forgot to put stuff on my lips. My lips are bare. Is there anything in here that was for lips? Seriously, you know me, Lady no. I had a nickname, Lipstick Lori, for many, many years. Riding horses, and they called me Lipstick Lori. Because I showed up at the barn to go horseback riding, hit the trails, and I always had my lipstick right in my little pocket. Yep, and I would freshen it up as we were riding along. Anyway, let's get back to this. This is adorable. This kind of reminds me of the Glam Light stuff, you know, like the little donut and everything. Oh, how cute. And it is hefty. The way it's built is it's not cheap plastic. I mean, this is kind of a little heavy. It's like a thicker window, you know, this plexi. But anyway, check out these colors, you guys. I hope you guys could see them. Those are so cute. They're beautiful. They are. Let's see what they feel like. Ooh, nice. Check that out. Let's do that other one. Got some shimmers in there. Oh, they're soft. I feel like powder. Look at those. Those are pretty. Let's see what they look like. Oh, they're very metallic-y. Yeah, they're very metallic-y. I don't know if that makes any sense to you. Like, they're a lot like metal, the metal colors. They do stick. I will say that they do stick. Can you see that? So it's this one right here, this one, and this one right here. Those are the shimmers. Very pretty, very pretty. Oh my gosh, see what this one does. They're just a real soft. Yeah, they're very soft. So basically a very subtle look. If you had a kid that's playing around with makeup, this would be something I would let them play around with. So, you know, with the grandbabies. Oh, and the names are on the back. I don't know if I showed you that, but look at the way the back is. And it's got the little names of each one. Gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. 5 items, you guys, for $45. The items you do get, you could do a lot with. You have your mascara that gives you that glimmer. You have this really soft little palette that is absolutely stunning. You have that highlighter. Oh my God, that highlighter. You know what? Sometimes keeping something because it's pretty, that's not me. I actually will not do that. I will pass that on to you guys. And then you have this really pretty double-headed eyeshadow. And you have that really cute, what is this one again? It is a mousse concealer, the Dessert Collection mousse concealer. So you've got that. You could put a look together. You know, the only thing you're missing I was going to say as an eyeliner, but you know, just simple look. Does that make sense? I hope so. It makes sense to me, okay? I guess that's all that matters, is me and the voices in my head. The ones that love to argue, and they come out on Mass Monday. Or pretty much anytime Sassy does a video. So, all right. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Please, please, please. I know these are probably driving you guys crazy. Please let me know what was your favorite product in the July Zeesea collection. Was it the palette? Was it the mousse concealer? Was it this really cool glittery mascara? Was it the double head eyeshadow or that gorgeous highlighter? Pick one, pick two, pick three. What's your favorite? Let me know down in the comment section below. All right, you guys, take care. Please subscribe if you haven't. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you didn't, there's a button for YouTube. But you know what? I would appreciate it if you would just skip. just move on to the next video. Just don't do one of these. It's for losers. All right, you guys take care, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.